A massive Microsoft Azure outage is causing widespread disruption, affecting Xbox and Microsoft 365 services, as well as other platforms and businesses. This incident comes just a week after an AWS outage took down significant parts of the internet, highlighting the fragility of cloud computing infrastructure. The outage began around 12 p.m. Eastern Time, with Azure Front Door, AFD, experiencing issues that led to latencies, timeouts, and errors. Microsoft linked the problem to an inadvertent configuration change and stated that the last known good configuration had been deployed. The company expects full mitigation within the next 4 hours, with signs of recovery already underway. The impact is far-reaching, with Alaska Airlines and Hawaiian Airlines reporting disruptions to key systems, including their websites. Community Fibre, a UK internet provider, also confirmed that some customers may be experiencing issues due to the Microsoft outage. Additionally, Kroger, Starbucks, Costco, and Capital One have reported unexpected outages or issues with their services. This outage is particularly notable as it coincides with Microsoft's earnings report, which is set to be released later in the day. The Verge has reached out to Microsoft for more information, but no immediate response has been received. DownDetector reports a spike in issues with Azure at around 12 p.m. Eastern Time, aligning with the outage across Microsoft 365 and Xbox. The outage appears to be global, with users in the US and UK unable to access Azure's portal, according to Reddit posts. As the situation unfolds, users are advised to check official sources and status pages for updates on the recovery process.